guys, it's me back at it again with another video. Today we're gonna be installing some 350C door handles, as mine recently broke. It won't work anymore. So wish me luck, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, this is gonna be the new door handles that I'm gonna be installing. Had to paint in black because, you know, don't like the gray. So yeah, wish me luck again. Alrighty guys, so the first thing you guys are gonna want to do is take this clip off. Get in there, you know what I'm saying? And then you're gonna have a nut in there. We'll get it out. And then I have these three. There's usually another one of these, but I think it's because I have a convertible. That's why it comes with this, but I'll let you guys know when it's off. Give me one. Alrighty guys, so like I said, it's a 10mm. There's gonna be 2 nuts. So let me go ahead and do that right away for you guys. Alrighty guys, so now what guys are gonna want to do is just pull it out gently, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Try to break anything, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to break nothing today. Might be breaking a lot of things, so. Damn, y'all, what's going on here? We're having a few struggles, so give me one. Alrighty guys, so what you're gonna want to do, because mine broke right here. As you can see, mine just snapped, like the whole piece. It's supposed to actually look like this in the middle, but no, the whole thing snapped off. So yeah, but the way you're gonna take off, there's gonna be a Phillips screw right here. I think I lost this one, I'm not sure. But yeah, make sure you don't lose another one. And let me take it out and put it on the new one and see how it goes. Guys, after everything it's done, it was kind of janky because it's a piece of shit. Probably just gonna have to glue that in, stick it up, you know what I'm saying? So now I just put the bolts back in. I just gotta put all these ones and do the other side. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, so I'm finished. Yeah, my car is dirty. What can I say? We'll clean it soon, I hope. But yeah, as you can see, it works now, so it's lit. No more Pickle Rick, sad days. Maybe we meet again in another life. Alrighty guys, so you can see this is the first one. Boom, sexy. Look inside the car, it's dirty. Sandy. Second. Boom, shit, you need a fucking handyman? Fucking let me know. I'm fucking mechanic, let me know. I'm fucking pimping over here. Sand it. Alright guys, see you guys in a bit. Peace.